guys, Demon D. Just gonna do a quick video of what makes my Durango so unique interior wise. I have the red leather interior, which on the RTs you get on the armrest, and it goes around the whole back of the seat. On the SRTs, that's actually black, and I think that some of the armrests, I'm not sure, the armrest might be red, but I know that these are very exclusive to this RT also, that they're red armrests. And I have the Beats audio sound system. Also in the back here, I have the rear captain's chairs with no center console, and the rear seats are folded down now, but they're also red with the RT stitching. The new red interior does not have this RT, it has the Dodge double slash. Another thing that makes this interior very unique is these are heated and cooled seats. The new RT, if you want to have heated and cooled seats, the cooled seat is an option. On the 2017, they were all in one on the seat, and that's a pretty nice deal. Don't know why Dodge separated. The thing that really makes my Dodge Durango very unique is this dashboard. This is the SRT design dashboard. It has this inlaid stitching, and this is a $995 option, standalone option on the Durango RTs. I think it's also available on the GTs, not sure, you'd have to check on the website. But this dashboard for $995 is so worth it. Let me explain what I mean. This stitching gives a very high-end feel to the dashboard. If you have a Durango without this dashboard, you have a very grainy plastic dashboard, which looks very minivan-ish. You can see here, they take the stitching even around the dashboard part here, and it comes down even in here. So it gives a very high-end look. It's not really, I don't think it's real, it feels like real thread, but I don't believe that it's actually like stitched leather. If you're gonna order a Durango, I would highly suggest getting this option, this SRT design dashboard, because you can also get the secondary option for carbon fiber in the bezels here. All around this chrome here would be carbon fiber, and I'm pricing out new Durangos, and I like that option with this dashboard and the carbon fiber bezels. So yeah, Demon D, you know what it is. Just wanted to give you a quick inside look of my Durango RT 2017 Blacktop Edition. I do have the red leather seats. As you can see, they're beautiful, they look great. The captain's chairs in the back, great option. So very unique. You have to order those things separately. And the dashboard, that's the big thing. The dashboard, it makes a big difference. Why? You're always staring out the windshield, you're always staring at the road, and the dashboard's constantly in front of you. So this nice dashboard always makes me feel like I'm driving something a little bit luxurious, a little bit more substantial, especially after coming out of cars like BMWs and Acuras and Mercedes. To come into this Dodge and find this nice looking dashboard as a $900 option, no brainer. And a lot of people that have Durangos, that have been in my Durango, are always like, wow, this dashboard came with the car? So yeah, Demon D, hope you all are blessed, hope you all staying kind, enjoy your Thanksgiving, peace.